Welcome to the Pocket Science channel. Hi everyone, from today we have brought you the combined math subject with our channel. I am going to teach you the way of doing and writing a past paper question in combined maths paper. Let's see the first question of 2019 advanced level paper. The question is, using the principle of mathematical induction, prove that sigma r equal 1 to n 2r minus 1 equal n squared for all n belongs to positive integers. Then there is a steps and way of doing a mathematical induction type question. Let's do it step by step. The first step is, first we have to check whether the result is true when n equals 1. Okay, then first what you have to write is, for n equal 1 we have to check whether the result is true or not. Then I am taking the left hand side is equals to 2r minus 1. Now instead of r we have to substitute 1 because we are checking whether the result is true for n equals 1. Then here 2 times 1 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now we have to check whether the result is the right hand side. Just it is n squared, instead of n let's substitute 1 squared equals to 1. Now you can see that the left hand side and the right hand side we have put the same value 1. Now we want to write there the result is true for n equal 1. Therefore the result is true for n equal 1. Now the next step, what you are going to do is, we have to take an assumption that the result is true for that assumption, that unknown variable. Mostly we are using the letter P. Then we want to write and show it. Take any P belongs to positive integer and assume that the result is true for n equals p. Okay, then we want to write the expression when n equals p, that is sigma r equal 1 to p 2r minus 1 equal p square. Okay, now in this type of summation question, what we are going to do, the next step is, we want to show whether the result is true when n equal p plus 1. Therefore what we are going to do is, we want to add by substituting n equal p plus 1 to the left hand side. Okay, now let's see how to do it. Sigma r equal 1 to p plus 1 2r minus 1 equal, okay, now I have taken up to p plus 1, then we can write it as sigma r equal 1 to p 2r minus 1 plus the p plus 1th term I am going to add with this. It is 2, instead of r I am going to write p plus 1 minus 1. Now we know already this part is equal to p square. We have taken the assumption. Then we can write there p square plus, if you simplify this part, here you will get 2p plus 2 minus 1. Then you can write 2p plus 2 minus 1, it is plus 1. At once you can write it. Now you know already this is a binomial expansion of p plus 1 square. Now okay, See here, we have taken the similar expression in the question r equal 1 to n, then the result is n squared. In here, r equals 1 to p plus 1, here the result is p plus 1 square. Therefore, we can say that its result is true for n equal p plus 1 also. We have to write it. Hence, the result is true for n equal p plus 1. Finally, we have to write the final step, that is the expression. We have already proved that the result is true when n equals 1. Then we have taken the assumption the result is true for n equal p. Then we have proved that the result is true for n equal p plus 1 also. Then we have to write there the final step in every mathematical induction type question. Hence, by the principle of mathematical induction, the result is true for all n belongs to positive integers. Okay, this is the way of doing and writing a mathematical induction type question. Then let's see how you will get marks for this type of question. For the first part, proving that the result is true for n equal 1, you will get a 5 marks there, and I am writing the marks also. Then for the assumption part, you will get another 5 marks. Then for the addition of the p plus 1th term, you will get a 5 marks, and proving the result is true for n equal p plus 1, you will get another 5 marks. Then finally, writing the expression, you will get 5 marks. Totally, this is a 25 marks of question. Okay, now I think you have got an idea about doing a mathematical induction question. If you need the explanation of other questions also, please keep our channel subscribed. And if you like the video, please like and share this video. Thank you.